YouTube has just changed the game for creators on YouTube, whether you are a small creator or whether you are already a big creator on the YouTube space. And you guys, these changes are actually going to help creators generally to continually push content effortlessly on the YouTube space, and also to make good revenue, like good money when it comes to the YouTube space. And if you are still thinking of joining YouTube in this time and age, you guys, this is another wake-up call for you to actually join the YouTube space, because trust me, all of these features that they just introduced is going to be a game changer when it comes to, coming here on YouTube and doing content. Like, it's going to make it effortless, and yet you are going to be going home with a lot of money. I am going to jump into it right now and show it to you. Let's go. So I always check my YouTube studio every single day in the morning, and on this fateful day I actually saw this big news that YouTube just gave on all creators, or to me, I don't know about every other creator. And when I opened up this particular news, I saw this made on YouTube, and I'm going to be reading every single detail that is on newsletter for you so that you would understand. If you are a new YouTuber or you are still thinking, please go and get your gadgets and start creating content, right? So let's start with the beginning that says the next 20 powering the future of entertainment together on Made for You. Now, 20 years ago, YouTube launched with the idea that everyone should have the opportunity to create and find a global stage. Since then, we have seen creators shape culture and entertainment in ways we never thought possible. Anyone with an idea, whether individual, artist, studio, or brand, can become a content creator here, and we help them turn their idea into business. We have paid out over 100 billion to creators, artists, and media companies globally over the last 4 years. Just 4 years, and YouTube has paid 100 billion, and somebody is still sitting down thinking, should I join YouTube? I don't know what you're actually thinking, right? I don't just really understand. This is a newsletter of YouTube being 20 years, or have been created for the last 20 years, and they are just giving us a recap and some of the settings that they are changing to actually help creators here to help them effortlessly create content. So let's continue. We didn't just create a platform, we built an economy. Now, this is something that the CEO of YouTube said, right? They actually built an economy, because trust me, YouTube on its own is actually helping families, helping individuals, helping companies, helping businesses to actually grow economically when it comes to financing, people's life and businesses and what's not that they have going on, right? And it is a good thing, really. It is really, really a good thing. So let's continue. Today on Made on YouTube, we are introducing new products and innovations to power the next decade of creation, connection, and business on YouTube. So this is telling you that they are bringing new features that is going to be out for the next decade. A decade is like 10 years. Like, for the next 10 years, you'll be sure that YouTube is still going to be here. Also, for you that don't want to start content creation on YouTube, I don't know what you are doing, and they are still going to be paying people for the next 10 years, and they are bringing these features that is going to also make it easy for you to create content. Let's continue. Tell your story your way. AI can help creative people everywhere share their stories, so we are making content creation on Shorts easier and more fun. So they are trying to tell you that they are bringing up AI to assist people to create fun content on Shorts, right? We have started integrating Google DeepMind's VO3 fast into YouTube Shorts, so you can easily create video, background, or clip with sound for free. And the new capabilities powered by Veo allow you to apply motion, restyle videos, and add props to your scenes. Edit with AI will help turn your raw footage into a first draft video. This is powerful. Like, they are just explaining here what the new AI features that they are going to be adding is going to help creators with. Now, if you are somebody that loves creating shorts, this one is for shorts. They are going to bring an AI tool that is going to help you to create content that you can remove your background, you can add things. You know that many of all of these features are actually on paid AI apps. Now YouTube is going to make it free for content creators, because of course a lot of us, in fact me that run 5 YouTube channels, I have mostly faceless YouTube channels, and trust me, striving as a faceless YouTube creator is actually hard, especially when it comes to looking for AI apps that will help you generate videos, content, background, and all of that. So YouTube is bringing this feature to help creators. So if you are still wanting or you are still thinking, I don't know what you are doing, let's get to it. Finally, speech to song, tunes, video, dialogue into a funny soundtrack for you. This is just music one that they are talking about. You can turn any sound into music or text to speech. That one has been looking for that AI app for free that can help me, but all of them that I've seen are all paid. So let's continue. We see AI as the next evolution of these tools designed to empower human creativity and storytelling. But make no mistake, no studio, no network, tech company or AI tool will own the future of entertainment. The power belongs to you, the creators. Of course, YouTube CEO is telling you here that even if AI is available, the power to actually create is in you as the creator, because of course you cannot use AI if you are not creative, right? AI will just be AI until somebody creates something powerful out of it, right? And that is you, the creator. So make sure you are thinking, or make sure you are gathering yourself to start joining YouTube. I don't know what you want to be doing with yourself, not joining YouTube at this time and age. So let's continue, you guys. Streamlining the creative process. Creators already use YouTube Studio for deeper insights and inspiration for what to create next. Now we are adding a new suite of tools designed to be a true creative partner across every phase of the creation journey. Create collaborations with other creators to expand your reach, or gather insights from our new controversial tool, Ask Studio, to better optimize your channel, and get ready for A/B testing for titles, updates for the inspiration tabs, and upgrades to auto doubling. Now this is for your creator studio, right? If you go to your creator studio, you already have a part that shows you deep insights about what your YouTube channel is all about, talking about the views you have and all of that. Now they are telling you that they are going to optimize it more to make it even easier for you to generate titles, to get updates, and all of those things. Like, you can ask your studio to give you a better optimized version of your channel, right? And it's going to be really, really seamless from what I'm seeing here. So let's continue. Finally, we are expanding our likeness direction tool, which allow creators to detect and manage videos made with AI using their facial likeness. Coming soon to all YouTube partner program creators in an open beta. Reinventing formats to build stronger connection. We are bringing creators and their fans closer by reimagining TV and formats driving today's culture. Now, for the first one that I read, it means that you are going to be able to use AI to actually know the kind of content that were created with AI, or the content that were actually directly created by a creator, right? This is for creators. And for this one, they are talking about connecting you and your audience. Now we have this community tab on the YouTube studio where you can actually connect with your audience. But here I feel like YouTube is actually upgrading the future, and they are talking about how to bring you closer to your audience on YouTube. So let's continue. Live content drives parallel interactivity and connection. On average, over 30% of daily logged in YouTube viewers watched live content in Q2 2025 alone. Today, we are making our largest upgrade to live ever by introducing new ways to connect with existing fans, reach new audience, and better monetize live streams. Read about all our updates to live here. If you are a content creator, you just go there and read it. Let's continue. The past few years have seen podcast cultural relevance transform into true videos. We are bringing new tools. Okay, this one is talking about podcasts. They are bringing also new tools for podcasts, people that are doing podcasts. And let's go ahead and continue fostering connections between artists and their fans. So if you are a music artist, you are a dancer, you are any kind of artist like that, like a performing artist and all, YouTube, and you are using YouTube is also here creating a feature for you that is going to help you, better connect with your fans. They are trying to upgrade the system or the YouTube app so that you will be able to better upgrade, connect with your fans, right? And all of this upgrade, all of these connections are for YouTube creators to have a seamless connection and to have a seamless time creating content here on YouTube, right? Now let's continue. New ways to earn on YouTube. This is the one that everybody wants to know. Building brand to creator relationship. We are adding updates to brand deals and shopping to make brand collaboration easier than ever. We are accelerating these deals through a new initiative and new product feature to make sure those partnerships succeed, like the ability to add a link to the brand site in short, and YouTube shopping is expanding to more markets and merchants and getting help from AI to making tagging easy. Now this one is mind-blowing. YouTube is going to bring a new feature that is going to make helping creators or making brand deals with creators easier. They are going to add a feature where you can actually click a link in YouTube short to take you to where you can be able to connect with the creator in terms of you wanting to give them brand deals and a lot of things. Like, this is going to help having brand deals very, very easy and seamless, because trust me, sometimes getting the contacts for the creators or the creator to connect with them on brand deals can actually be hard, especially if the creator is not one that is putting out their content out there. There are a lot of new features that YouTube is actually bringing, and I'm so happy that I'm already here on the YouTube space. Like, I am currently running 5 YouTube channels, and trust me, I've gotten all these updates for all of the 5 YouTube channels, and I'm going to be benefiting 5 times because I'm having 5 YouTube channels. Though the work is not easy, but then trust me, the result is massive. If you are still thinking of coming here on YouTube is actually making it easier now, so it's going to be easy, really, really easy for you to create your content, especially with the invention of AI on the YouTube street that is going to be free. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more, because I teach you how to succeed here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope this video has helped you to actually understand why you should come on YouTube. Thank you so much, you guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.